Hi there! As every Tuesday, you have your favorite expert of System.io coming to you to answer your questions. You know, every Tuesday, you can post your question on the group, the official group of SystemeIO, and you get your answer. So, a reminder, please post your question on Monday evening, because there is a time for moderation. So, to be sure that on Tuesday morning, I come and I see your question, make sure to post it a little hours before, just a reminder. So let's start. Now, Vanessa Nom asks, I'm new to System and would like help building email sequences. Any tips or tricks you all could share? Thanks. This is a very general question. So the first thing, Vanessa, email sequences in System are called campaigns, not email sequences. A campaign is a sequence of emails. And then you have newsletter, which is one email, a broadcast. So you see the terminology is different. So that's a tip I can give you. Look for campaigns. And otherwise, I don't know what tips or tricks you would like. So, I cannot answer your question. It's very straightforward. If you know how to do an email sequence, then you know how to do a campaign in SystemeIO. Doesn't matter. So maybe ask another question more precise, and then you can get an answer. Otherwise, see what you get. Oh, send me a request, and I can take you through some steps. So this is an offer for something paid, a service. So another NG is saying, I've just started using SystemeIO. It's awesome. I'm loving it. This has nothing to do with your question, because your question has nothing to do with anything. It's too general. But I gave you a tip, so you're welcome. Brandon, hi all. I am looking for some feedback on my funnel. My goal is to a feedback on a funnel. I don't give that. Okay, and this is a very complex question. I have to look at it and give you some feedback. So no, I only answer specific expert level questions on System.io. Impact Robert Emmanuel. Apart from Calendly, which other software do you use for appointments? Okay, so are you from the police? Why do you ask this? This has nothing to do with System.io. So whatever. Art Steven. One thing a lot of people do not realize, and a lot of people do realize. Okay, so I'm not going further, because this is stupid. It starts stupidly, so I can only guess that the rest is as stupid. Because one thing that a lot of people do not realize, and a lot of people do realize, so it means everybody either realize or not realize. So it can apply to anything. So what are you talking about? And there is no question mark, so there's no question. Janice, hey guys, is there a way to show my participants their wrong answer in a quiz? It's not too helpful for them right now just to know that they were wrong, but not where. Yes, that's true. But no, I don't think there is a way to do that, because the quizzes are done in a way on System.io. So of course, always you can answer, yes, it's possible by coding. So you code your own quizzes, or you make a code that can use the quizzes and change the behavior of the quiz. But by default, no, it's not possible. So Aurelian, the boss of System.io, answer, but if we show them where they got wrong, then it's too easy. So Aurelian is always answering the same. So you ask, oh, I would like these things, and he will answer that you don't need it. Doesn't matter, you don't need that. So it will not tell you if there is a way. It will explain to you that there is no need to find a way, because you don't need that. And others says, yes, sure, but that will be done with code. Yes, that's what I said. It's not like Aurelian doesn't want to do it like this, so it's not like this on System.io. And it will be only if somehow Aurelian is convinced that it could be an option in the quiz. Do you want to show which answers are wrong, yes or no? Yeah. In this case, it will be an option for users. So it might come. Just keep on asking for it, and eventually it will work, especially if you ask in English. He is more receptive to English American people. So, William, can you use the first name Thingy in the subject of... It's not a thingy. Well, anyway, in the subject of an email to put the person names in the subject? Answer is yes, you can. So you can put it in the body of the email or in the subject. You can even put it in links within the body of an email. So think about that. You can put it in links. So you can send people, when they click on it, the URL will have their email address or first name. Think about it. for what you could use it on the destination page. So David answer, I don't think so. You know, this is not an expert. He doesn't think so. So he feel like he can answer. I don't think so. I don't know, but no, it's yes. The answer is yes. It's not. I don't think so. Lucas, hello everyone here. New to system funnel here. Has anyone did any real estate application funnel on the platform here? Thank you here. So did I? No, I didn't. That's my answer. Oli, this is more of a template. Will look way better with images. So this one is just showing that it can do some curves, colors, and if you want to hire him, you have everything. You can contact him. That's the idea of those kind of posts. So Dano Sullivan, strategic question. Any thought on having multiple different opt-in pages that all lead to the same tripwire offer? Yes, I have, because I developed myself as an expert of SystemeIO. I've developed this multiple different opt-in pages for the same tripwire offer. What is tripwire? Of course, it's just you sell a little things, and then there are more things to buy as upsells or things like this. But first, you have a one page opt-in page. But what I did is that I created a dynamic opt-in page. So the content of the opt-in page can be changed dynamically just by changing the link to this page. So in effect, this page is a multiple, is an infinite amount of different content. It will promote anything, any link, any YouTube videos. For instance, you can have an opt-in page which gives you the video of YouTube, any YouTube video, and it will show the video. The title in the opt-in page will be the title of the video, and it will say to watch this video, enter your email. And then on the thank you page, you will have the link to the YouTube video, but also you have other things on the thank you page. Below, first at the top, you have the link to any YouTube video that you promoted, and then you have the rest of your page, which can be a tripwire offer. Anything you want on this thank you page. The thank you page is not dynamic. The only dynamic part is the link to the lead magnet, to what you offered, which was dynamic on the opt-in page. But on the thank you page, it's quite fixed, except for the link to what you offered. The rest is up to you. You can change it anytime you want to change a tripwire offer. So that's my thought about this. Yes, of course, it's better to have different opt-in pages so you can test which one works best, or just to change and to be able to talk about the same thing. In fact, to talk about different things, but to promote the same thing, on the thank you page, your offer. But you take different ways to do that. So you don't look like a parrot, always repeating the same, sending to the same page. This doesn't work for long. So Balaji, it's great to see a lot of people develop and share some beautiful same. So do we have a marketplace of sorts to buy some of those that the developer put up after completion? Like some are so beautiful that I'm longing to clone them and edit. So yes, there is a marketplace, and you can sell templates, SystemeIO templates on the marketplace. So you go on the menu of your SystemeIO dashboard, you will see on the left you have the marketplace. You can sell them like this, but there isn't yet a marketplace only for assets of Systeme.io. It's not made yet. I don't know if it will be made, but some people can sell it on the marketplace like any other products, and you can buy it. There is even a category for templates, but in English, of course, it's quite empty. On this marketplace, you have about 200 offers right now, so there are a lot more to be put there. In time, it will come. Built-in SystemeIO. So Raoul is the same. I think he has no questions. Just wants to show his wonderful skills in being able to put some text and one image and a form. So a design with 4 colors, including black and white. Wonderful, Raoul. Darshana Guru. Why do you need a branded funnel? So now he says, he is not an hypocrite. The first sentence is buy from me. Okay. So you are wonderful. That's wonderful. Everything is wonderful. Alessio Palmieri. Hello everyone. In the past, I created this simple landing page in WordPress, and now I would like to create it on my SystemeIO account. Is there a way via CSS to create this diagonal section page was made with Elementor with inserted image. I've seen many CSS scripts of divider between different color sections, but none with the background image. So yes, in fact, you know, when you look at this, it's very easy. This one is very easy to reproduce in System.io because the elements don't overlap. If you see from this sentence and at the bottom of the video, here you have a space. So there is nothing inside except this oblique bar here. So if you try to think in the SystemeIO editor, here you will have a section which will go until here, until a little above this part, you know, section. I mean, you could do it in several ways, but I just give you one easy way, one simple way, with the background image being the background image of the section. You understand? Not the background image of the page. You could do it also of the page, but just the section. So this section will go until a little bit above this sentence, and you will have two rows. So one row has two columns, and one row just below here has a one column. And in this row of one column, you put HTML element where you do the CSS things to do a oblique bar like this with this color here, the dark blue, and here nothing, transparent. And this section, the wall section, will have this background image, so it will be hidden by this part. So you know, this is a way to do it, and that's it. So yes, you can do it like this. I could show you, but you know, it will require another video to show you in the page editor. I will not do it now, but yes, it's possible to answer your question. Sam, any life spiritual coaches in this group need help? Oh, so Sam needs help in life spiritual things. Okay. Emily, a group. Thanks for your answer on my previous post. I managed to place my course in the marketplace. Good. Now, I would love to have your honest opinion on this offer. What could I do to improve it? And what will prevent you from advertising it? So, yeah, no, I cannot answer this question. It requires me to go out of this group to look at something. Not possible. Murtaza, I am an aspiring funnel builder for coaches. I would like to know the ninja technique for funnel hacking and few coaches funnel to learn from. Okay. Cedric Floris. Hi everyone. Does somebody know how to keep a part still on the screen while we scroll another part? Thanks. Yes, I answered already Cedric Floris in the French group. So he wants this to stay still while we can scroll this long part. This is very long, and we can, when we scroll, this one stays here and this one scroll. And actually I used this. I answered it and then I used it, and on the left I put a YouTube video and a button, and here I put a long text. In fact, it's the transcript of the video here, and I did it for many languages. So yes, it's possible. How to do it? It maybe requires another video to show you how to do it, but it doesn't require any code. You can do it in the page editor of SystemeIO by using, you know, the things that stay sticky. So one section is sticky, the one with the video, and the other one is normal. And in fact, both sections, so you have one sticky section, which is this one. So both sections have the same row with two columns, the same size. And the first section, the one which is sticky, has only the left column filled in with your content. And the other one has only the right row, the right column filled in. And that's how you make this effect. Very easy. And then, of course, in the section which isn't sticky, you need to put a negative top margin. Negative top margin, so that it is not at the end of the sticky section. It can be a little bit up. It looks better when you first load the page. You will not see one and then the one below. No, it will be up. So when you start to scroll, it's okay. It's a very nice effect. Cedric, thank you for asking this expert level question. That's why I answered you, because even before. So Margarita, which is some SystemeIO, not expert, she said, the option to make an element sticky is currently available only for the section element. So it is not possible to achieve exactly what you require at the moment. Our community, however, might assist you here if they needed to set up the same at some point and manage to do it by some coding, for example. So you see, Margarita, you are wrong. Yes, of course. Yes. So why do you say it's not possible? It is possible even if only the section element is sticky, because you can use two sections. So, and Jacques say, yep, make it sticky. Yeah, but what make it? What is it? You know, they don't answer at the expert level. They just answer wrongly or just a part of the answer. Sticky, what is sticky? How to do setup? Because he knows, Cedric knows that there are some sticky things, but anyway, Raoul, again, no, Raoul is only about his skills, his bad skills, because look, he does a 3D things, but very bad, looks horrible. I've seen some 3D photo to present funnels, which looks good, but this one is so horrible. Raoul, I have nothing against you. You do things so horrible, so I can only comment horrible things of your things, but if you post something good, I would say, oh, nice. It doesn't happen. Hello, please, does SystemeIO have a way you can install live chat on the freemium plan? Yes, first you need a live chat that will give you a JavaScript code, and then you can put it on your freemium plan of SystemeIO by using a HTML code element. You put the HTML code on your page, and you insert the JavaScript code of the live chat. That's it. But otherwise, is there a live chat tool on SystemeIO? The answer is no, because it's not an all-in-one everything. This, if you want this, you take Builderall, and Builderall has no freemium plan. So we use chatbot. I have that in my funnel. Okay. Nothing can replace who help us have free training and system support. Can you see the level of craziness in the support? So thanks God for internet, because we can communicate with people that we wouldn't want to be close in real life. Crazy people. Answer something, anything. They're crazy, but on the internet it's quite safe. We can interact or be close. Okay, but it's not dangerous. Thanks fully. Impact Robert Emmanuel. I just introduced a real estate company to SIO. I'm working on their first funnel. I'm looking for a partner who build funnel for fun. For fun, for money, yes. Come, let's work on this project. No. I have other ways to have fun, not to work with you on your first funnel or your funnel, whatever. Tyler Oang. Hi everyone, does anyone know how I can send an email to my contact list and make sure it will go directly to my contact email inbox? No. Also, I'd like to include my contact's first name in the email. I know how to do it manually, but it will take time. Oh yes, thank you. Okay, so the answer is no. You cannot be sure that the email will go in your contact inbox, because this is not the job of SystemeIO. This is the job of the email services. So that's it. Bye bye. I have the phone ringing.